If you're tired of juggling multiple pots and pans, trying to make a meal for the family with diverse tastes, this Blue Diamond Split Savor 5.5QT electric skillet with divider is your answer. Designed with the modern home cook in mind, this versatile skillet allows you to cook 2 different dishes at once, saving time, reducing the clutter in your kitchen, and offering the flexibility that every busy household craves. With its 5.5 QT capacity, dual-zone design, and Blue Diamond's signature nonstick coating, the Split Savor will become your go-to kitchen companion. Why should you choose the Blue Diamond Split Savor? This isn't just another skillet. It's a revolution in multitasking in the kitchen. Here are some reasons why the Blue Diamond Split Savor should be your next kitchen upgrade. Dual-zone design for maximum efficiency. With its divider, you can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously without worrying about mixing flavors or ingredients. Whether it's meat and vegetables, spicy and mild, or surf and turf, this skillet accommodates your family's diverse tastes with ease. Ceramic Nonstick Coating. Blue Diamond is known for its diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating, which is 5 bites harder and 10 bites longer lasting than traditional nonstick coatings. This means you can cook confidently with minimal oil or butter, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Heat conductivity, like never before. Diamonds are 4 bites more conductive than copper, allowing for faster and more even heating. This means your meals will cook quickly and consistently, giving you more time to enjoy your dishes and less time worrying about hot spots or unevenly cooked food. Perfect for family-sized meals. The 5.5 Q2 capacity provides ample space to cook enough for the entire family, making it the perfect size for family meals, dinner parties, or meal prepping for the week ahead. Easy to clean. After you're done cooking, simply wipe down the non-stick surface for quick cleanup. If there's any stubborn residue left, just pop the skillet into the dishwasher after removing the heating element for a hassle-free wash. One-knob control. The intuitive one-knob control makes it incredibly easy to adjust the temperature settings to your exact preference. Whether you're simmering, frying, or searing, you can trust this electric skillet to get your meal just right. Glass lid for monitoring. The sturdy glass lid allows you to easily monitor both of your cooking zones without lifting the lid, keeping heat and moisture locked in. Carry handles for easy movement. The ergonomic carry handles provide ultimate control, making it easier to transport the skillet from the stove to the table or to store it away when you're done cooking. What problems does the Blue Diamond Split Savor solve? The Blue Diamond Split Savor is designed to tackle several common kitchen problems. Let's face it, cooking for picky eaters can be a hassle, especially when your family has different preferences for what they eat. Traditional pans can't handle cooking multiple dishes at once, forcing you to spend extra time cooking in batches. This skillet solves those problems by allowing you to cook 2 separate dishes at once, saving you time and energy. Separate spicy and mild foods, or cook multiple types of protein and vegetables without worrying about mixing flavors. Enjoy healthier meals with minimal grease or oil, thanks to the advanced non-stick surface. Perfect for who? This Blue Diamond Split Savor electric skillet is ideal for families. Whether you're making a hearty family dinner or preparing different sides for picky eaters, this skillet offers flexibility. Busy home cooks. If you're always in a rush, cooking 2 meals at once will help you save time. Health-conscious cooks. Thanks to its non-stick ceramic coating, you can reduce your use of oil while still enjoying flavorful meals. Meal preppers. With its large capacity and dual-zone design, this skillet is perfect for cooking multiple meals in one go, helping you prep your week's worth of meals quickly. Small kitchens or apartments. The compact design makes it perfect for those with limited counter space or who want a one-pan solution for various meals. Why you'll love the Blue Diamond Split Savor? The Blue Diamond Split Savor is more than just a typical electric skillet. It's the ultimate multitasker in your kitchen. With its dual cooking zones, advanced ceramic nonstick coating, and user-friendly controls, this skillet ensures that your cooking experience is faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Say goodbye to juggling multiple pans, unevenly cooked meals, and excessive cleanup time. The Blue Diamond Split Savor brings convenience and versatility to your cooking routine, making it perfect for busy families, health-conscious cooks, and anyone who loves the convenience of cooking multiple dishes at once. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.